Okay, today we're going to be setting up an event. It's Michael's 40th birthday. The theme is kind of like a Hollywood Gatsby-ish vibe with like cigars and stuff like that. So we're going to make something for him and we're going to be using Canva. And the app that we're going to be setting up for is LumaBooth. So LumaBooth templates that I'm going to make right now is going to be the main screen, the photos, the photo strip design, the GIF design, as well as the 360 or the boomerang video feature. So we're going to be making those four templates right now. So if you guys want, just follow along. But this is the process that I do before I actually get my tablet in hand and start doing, the setting up on the tablet. So I'm gonna kind of take you through it. So this is the all the templates that I've kind of made. I'm just starting all over just so that way my Canva fills up. But if you guys want, if you guys download my app, I'll give you guys a subscription. I'll give you all these. Anything that I make, you'll have access to. So you could just click here, make a copy, and then just copy the style and change the name, change the logo and all that. So just download my app, 360 Photo Booth Expert. You'll be able to get access to this complimentary with that purchase, which is cool. So at least it'll save you a lot of time in the future too. And then this keeps building, I mean, you have access to all of my designs. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna click right here and I'm gonna do make a copy. And I'm going with that one just because it's kind of similar to the exact one that we're gonna make. So I could use some of those elements from here. Saves me time. So I'm just gonna double click on here, change this to Michael, and then we'll do Michael's. The font size needs to go down. Maybe we could do this. All right, and then this, I'll just leave that there. The select a feature, and then we're gonna put those buttons into LumaBooth. So that pretty much wraps it up here. If I wanted to, we could do something like, I think this kind of looks cool already. And then maybe add like a little cigar because that was incorporated in the invitation as well as the decor at the event. So let's see what they have. I guess this is kind of cool too. I think this part is like, this is my favorite part of the photo booth gig. It's just doing the design work. And I mean, you can kind of keep adding to it too, but I think that looks pretty good. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna hit share, download. I'll save it as a PNG. Also, before I do that, I'm gonna just rename this. I'm gonna just type in Michael underscore screen. Now I could save it, download. All right. Now I'm gonna duplicate these. I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. Once I'm done with this, and I'm ready to do my photo strip design, I'm gonna go over here to File, make a copy. And the reason why I make a copy is I want to use all those design elements to make my photo strip design as well. But before I do that, same thing, I'm gonna erase this, Michael, and then this one I'm gonna go 4x6. We're gonna resize this to a 4x6. All right. I'm going to delete some elements that I'm not going to need. And what I'm making now is for the photo strip design. So we can do something like this, just move some of these elements over. And I'm going to do 3 pictures. And I'll show you guys if you guys see my shorts or my videos, you'll be able to see it live actually at an event like functioning. So that's why I like doing it this way, because it's like so much faster and I spend so much time doing the same thing over and over. So that's that. Let's get rid of that. Actually, hold on. I could do that. And then move that over here. And then I'm gonna have all the I'll move this over. Let's see. I have to incorporate the date in there. Can't forget the date. Fine. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna do the same process. My photo strip's already labeled. I'm gonna hit share, download, download. Okay. And again, same process, file, make a copy. Now we're going to be working on the GIF. So we're going to go and rename it right away so we don't get confused. We're going to resize it to, it is 720 by 960. That's for the GIF. And we do that to keep those design elements there. So now I'm going to put these in random places. All right, so for the GIF, what we're doing is just the same thing. We're adding the same design elements and just adjusting what we need to. For this one, we have to have a transparent backdrop. So I'm just going to right click on here and, or I can just hit delete, but then it's going to look kind of like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a design element over here, select on the one that I need. We'll do something like this, change the color to black. And make sure that this layer is set to be, the position is all the way to the back. So we click on position up here, and then we send to the back. So that way it lays behind all those design elements. All right, so it looks like we're done here. Everything looks good. Now, this is the important part that you need to remember. When you hit share, you're going to do download, and you have to click this. Otherwise, this white background here is not going to be like transparent against your video. So make sure you do that and hit download. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're moving over to the videos. So file, make a copy. Same process, guys, you already know. This one is going to be the video one. So I just put vid and then resize it. So if you guys start doing it this way, you'll save a lot of time. This one is 1080 by 1920. And redesign this design. So if you have events that you just like left last minute, like this shouldn't take you long. Let's see. All right, now that I'm done, same thing, file, download, transparent backdrop. You have to make sure to do that and then hit download. All right, so now I should have all of, there's my GIF, my vid, my 4x6, and my screen. I'm gonna email these over to my computer, or if you have working on a Mac, you can AirDrop it over to your iPad now and get the next step started. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out in our community page on our app, 360 Photo Booth Expert. If you haven't downloaded it, download it. There's a 3-day free trial. We're going to reduce the price to $19.99, limited time, and you get access to all those cool freebies and ins and yeah, everything there is to know about photo booths. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope this helped you guys out. Let us know any ratings, comments, concerns, and we'll see you in the next one.